Hello, during this video I will show you how to define field value transformation when exchanging the documents in advanced intercompany application. We'll start with the creation of the purchase order and create a new one for our IC partner Kronos Germany. And in the lines I will choose service item. Kronos Germany would like to receive this item with different description. I will show you how you can prepare that kind of the mapping. First, we need to go to the ISC mapping list. I'll create a new code for the description mapping. Then I hit edit action. Now you can decide to which endpoint you would like to send mappings, apply mappings. So you can choose that for Kronos Germany. For our own value, which is service item, I would like to map it to services. Then we can decide what is the direction of the mapping. If the mapping should be applied when sending the data, so direction outbound, or when receiving the data, direction inbound. So we can set up the mapping card either on the sender or the receiver side. And you can have multiple lines for different endpoints. Now, the mapping code needs to be assigned on the IAC complex message template. So if we go to the purchase template, which is responsible for sending the purchase document, I'll reopen to make it editable. I go to purchase line because there is the field which I would like to map and hit show fields. So search for the description field. Here it is. You can see here we have a column called data mapping code. So if we go to edit field, we can specify the code for the mapping for this field. So you can specify any mapping you want for any of the field in the application, basically. Okay, now we can release back the complex message template. And we can come back to the purchase order. We have the outbound mappings set up, so we don't need to synchronize now the complex message because the mapping will happen before receiving the message in the IC vendor company. So now we can release the purchase order and send outbound messages. Now the message has been successfully sent. We can switch to the Kronos Germany. I'll go to the sales buffer documents, to the last message. And now you can see here that the description has been mapped to the services. If we take a look on the items list, so even though we have here the service item, it has overruled, the mapping has overruled the sent description.